Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to block your Starling Bank card instantly. The fastest and most straightforward way to block your Starling Bank card is through the app. If your card is lost, stolen, or you simply want to freeze it for security, you can do so in a few simple taps. First, open your Starling Bank app and log in. At the bottom of the home screen, you will see a navigation panel. Tap on the Card tab. Once you are on the card screen, look for the security icon and tap on it. This will take you to the security controls screen. Here, you will find a toggle switch to freeze card. Simply slide this toggle to instantly block your card. When you freeze your card, all transactions will be declined, giving you peace of mind. You can also unfreeze it just as easily from the same screen if you find it again. This feature gives you immediate control and is the best way to secure your card without having to call the bank. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.